Today, we're crafting a piece inspired by the place Elowen called the Heart of the Lost Woods, a place where the forest feels alive. Welcome back to my cozy corner of the woods. I'm Jessica, and this is Craft Plus Lore, where every handmade piece carries a story from the Lost Woods. For this project, you'll need moss, bark or twig, maybe some pine needles, a sturdy base, and anything that feels like it could have grown right out on the forest floor. Elowen had wrote down in her diary about a place she visited deep in the Lost Woods where everything felt different, peaceful, quiet, awake. The air there, wow, the air was warmer and smelled sweet with a faint pine scent. The light there, the light there was also different, brighter, warmer, almost like a hug. And the trees, wow, the trees seemed to lean in closer, like, well, like they were listening. She described walking on the soft, warm soil. She could feel the faint rhythm of an ancient heartbeat. So she decided to call this place the Heart of the Lost Woods. Elowen had wrote down in the diary of hers that she visited the Heart of the Lost Woods often. She describes a deep feeling of being pulled there by a strong ancient force. Of course, no one else could ever find this mystery place, and it surely doesn't show up on any map. We believe the path to the heart of the Lost Woods was closed up right where we found her lantern. So I am building this piece just the way Elowen had described the clearing, layered, tangled, alive with texture. Elowen had wrote that when she would enter the heart of the Lost Woods, she felt like she was home. She was right where she belonged with a family she didn't know she had. Elowen had described the big lone tree in the middle of the clearing. It had stripes. Yeah, glittery gold stripes running throughout its bark. And that the tree seemed to be the energy source that pulls her to the heart of the Lost Woods. Some say the heart of the Lost Woods is where the forest keeps its oldest memories. Others, well, others believe it is where the woods keeper was born, or perhaps where he waits. Us locals, yeah, us locals, we think the heart of the woods is where it holds all its secrets, and whomever listens close enough is chosen to stay there. Elowen had wrote that she felt watched, but not by the watchers. No, no, not by the watchers at all. This presence, well, it was stronger, much older, quieter, patient. I am going by what Elowen had described in her diary about the heart of the Lost Woods, so I will be adding the Woodskeeper sigil. Not boldly, of course, no, but hidden. Elowen. She said that this carving of the sigil was different from the others she had seen around the forest. This time, it was glowing a dull gold on the big old tree at the center of the Lost Woods. She almost missed it and only saw it when she leaned in closer to listen to what the tree had to say. When I had found Elowen's diary, the page describing the heart of the Lost Woods was torn, but one line remained intact. It said, I finally understand why the paths had led me here. And here it is, the heart of the Lost Woods, a small piece of the forest's oldest secrets. If you've enjoyed this blend of crafting and folklore, let me know in the comment section down below. Next time, we'll explore the final object from Elowen's diary and the truth she had left behind.